This is what we are working with: dry, thirsty hair. I start by doing a pre-poo with my favorite oil, palm kernel oil, also known as nyanga. Yes, my applicator bottle comes straight out of a first aid kit. Yes, it is a betadine bottle, but it gets the job done. Can we focus on the video now? A pre-poo for me consists of applying 1 or 2 oils to my hair before I wash it. And since I'm going to wash it off, I go for the cheaper ones. The next thing I do is finger detangle to remove larger knots. That is, I use my fingers to separate hair strands that are tied up together to form big and obvious clumps. This helps reduce the time I spend detangling with a wide tooth comb afterwards. I do this in sections. Once I am done with one section, I twist it up. I generally end up with 6 sections. I am going to let this cook under my beautiful heat cap for about 20 minutes. Then I'll get back to you. It is now time to wash. I start by wetting my hair with warm water. Then I use this soap I like to call Cameroon black soap. It helped me a lot with my acne, so I decided to use it on my scalp too. It foams well and it is not drying. You can probably use any black soap you have, or even a shampoo if you have one. I use the tips of my fingers to scrub my scalp, not my nails. I am not trying to irritate my scalp. I also take out each twist, wash the scalp, spread the foam over the length of my hair, then twist it back up. That is a lot of twisting and untwisting, right? You don't have to do that. You don't have to wash your hair in sections. I did not even need to reapply the soap. That is how good it is. After rinsing the soap out, it is now time to apply a DIY moisturizing deep conditioner. I'll put the link to the video where I make this moisturizing deep conditioner in the description. It is time for another session of twisting and untwisting. I apply it generously and I focus mostly on the ends. They need all the love they can get because they are the oldest and weakest part of my hair. The more I take care of them, the more chances I have of retaining length. My phone died on me, but all I did after finishing the application was wear my heat cap and wait for an hour. It is now time to detangle, and I can't help but finger detangle first. It is just part of me. I can't skip this step. I am now going in with this broken wide tooth comb I am overly attached to. I start with the ends and gradually work my way up. It is always better for me to detangle in smaller sections. I get the best results and less breakage. At this point, she must have understood that my natural hair tools are very special. Function over presentation, guys. Function over presentation. After detangling all my hair, I rinse this out with cold water. I repeat, cold water. You don't want to have cooked egg in your hair. To seal in the moisture, I am using cocoa butter. If you have access to any other butter like shea butter, go ahead and use it. I stopped using it in my hair about 5 months ago. So I've been keeping my hair stretched with braids. I am working on another headless stretch method that does not require as much arm strength as African threading. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I am just going to keep doing the braids on the rest of my hair and let it dry, then I'll see you for the takedown. I don't know what came over me, but I sprayed my hair with water before taking the braids out. Big mistake. Styling it after that was a battle, a huge one. After a long and intense negotiation process with my hair, we finally came to this compromise. My next video is going to be me doing the hairstyle I actually wanted to do today. It is my go-to for thin edges. Here is the link to my DIY moisturizing deep conditioner. See you soon.